Hey there, it's Cody at Lighthouse Contracting Group. We're up here in Guilford, New Hampshire, taking a look at the finished Mountaintop project. Some of the goals on this project were to create a private powder bathroom, a private master bath, walk-in suite, and walk-in closet. Inside of the powder room, some of the cool finishes, we've got a floating vanity as well as a floating toilet, so that space is gonna be really easy to clean. We brought the tile up the walls for our backsplash with the mirror in the middle of it, some nice light sconces on either side. We were able to source pocket doors matching the interior doors. We got those stained to match the interior doors, so even though it's a new space, it blends in with the existing home really well. Inside of the master bath, some cool features are the walk-in curbless shower. There's no stepping hazards, and you're able to walk right into that shower. They've got a nice setup with a double vanity bowl, a tall storage cabinet on the side there, really creating good use in that space because there isn't a closet in that bathroom. So having that tall cabinet creates a great storage opportunity. The walk-in closet was very critical for these clients. You know, they needed an expansive space to store all their belongings. So inside of that walk-in closet, it was previously a bedroom. We removed one of the windows to create a little more wall space for some more storage. So they've got pretty much a wraparound closet system in there with a beautiful island in the middle, all sorts of room and space for storage and setting up and organizing all their belongings. And now with that, the new door that we installed created kind of a hallway space. There's also a private bedroom space in that wing of the home as well. One other item we worked on inside of this home as well, as you come into the main entry of the home, we created a nice seating area with some cubbies above and some hooks below that, just to kind of enhance the mudroom entry area of the home. The finishing on that material matches all the finishing within the home. So it's a new part of the home, but it looks like it's always been there. This is a really fun project. We're really proud of how all the finishes came out, but I know the team is gonna miss coming up and enjoying this mountaintop view every day.